Alright guys, so you go to your Capcut, click on new project, import any background of your choice, but I chose to use black. You get my point here. Now tap on the background and drag it. You can extend it to the length of which you want your video to stop. I used 20 seconds. So now you come back here, click on this navigation button, click on text. When you click on text, now click on add text. So at this point, what you need to do first is to type U, capital letter U. You get my point. Now you can expand it. You can place the fingers on your screen to expand it according to the size you want. You get my point. So when you are done with your preferred size, the next thing for you, just click on this OK button and then click and drag the end of the letter layer to align with the end of the background, something like what you're seeing on your screen right now. You get my point. All right, now go to font. When you go to font, you choose unbounded, this one right here. You get my point, because this is the perfect font for this particular effect. So you click on OK. So guys, if you are getting value from this video, please hit the like button and make sure you turn on your notification bell after subscribing to this channel. Subscription is free. You get my point. You're not paying anything. You get my point. Now what you do next is to click on add text again. So at this point you're going to click on C, letter C. Let's click on letter C. Now when you click on that letter C, you have to turn it, just turn it to be opposite, something like this. You get my point. Now make it small a little. Just place the fingers on your screen and make it small a little. Like that's the handle, the cup handle. So that's just it for that one. So you can join it here. See, we are beginning to form a cup. You get my point. So tap on the OK button and then click on the second layer. Understand? That's the second letter layer. Drag it to the end of the first one, so that make sure they align together. You get my point. So now tap on add text again. Just come back to the beginning of the video and click on add text. So this time around you are going to add bracket. Add bracket. You can choose anyone, either open bracket or close bracket. You can, after that you can adjust it. Place two fingers on your screen to adjust it. You get my point. Make sure they touch both sides. You see what I'm doing right here. So when you are done with that, the next thing for you to do is click on the OK button. Now you drag it to the end of the video. Now click on add text. Click on add text. Now you still go back to bracket and then add another bracket. You can use a closed bracket this time around. Now use your finger to adjust it so you can have the complete mouth of the cup. You get my point. So as you can see, sir, we've gotten the thing. The cup is already created. So if you're getting value from this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to share this video. Let me see. Just tell me what you think about this video in the comment section. You get my point. If you have any question, feel free to ask me. I'll be able to assist you 100%. So guys, let's continue. When you are done with this one, you have to click on the OK button. You get my point. So now what you do, you tap on the layer right here. Make sure they align just like you did other ones. So that's just it, guys. We have created a cup, but it's not complete. So what we need to do is to cover this black color here at the center of the cup. So what to do now is just swipe over to where you see draw. Click on draw. Understand? Now you look at the shape here. We choose the first one. Understand? Now we select this white color right here. Look at the size. You can increase the size. So I have to increase my own size a little. Then you use your finger to draw inside the cup. Make sure you should be very careful when you are doing this. Just draw within the white line inside the cup. Understand? You just leave the mouth part of it. I don't know if you get my point. So just take your time and do this. Alright, so when you are done, you click on this OK button. Now you tap on the layer and drag it to the end of other layers. Make sure they align together. Please take your time and watch this video. It may look very simple, but if you make a mistake, you will alter everything. So I advise you to watch from the beginning of this video to the end of it, so you won't miss out on any important step. You get my point? So that's just it, guys. So if you want to know how to add animation to this video, just click on the link you see right here. You get my point? I've explained everything right there. So when you are done with the animations, you can now click on add text, then add your name, just like you see me do. I want to add my name right here. So this is my name. I'll add Mr. Createn T. You get my point? T, that's T. So you choose a font. So this one, you don't need to use this unbounded anymore. Then you need to select another font. You can choose any font of your choice. You get my point? When you get your preferred font, you can now click on OK. So now you tap on this pencil icon you see right here. Now what we need to do is to select the style. Understand? So you choose a style. I will choose this one here. Understand? So that it will be visible for everyone to see. Mr. Createn T. Oh my God. So when this is done, you can add other effects like sound effects and every other effect of your choice. Then save your video to your gallery. You get my point? So see you in our next video.